Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get new clients for your digital marketing agency by sliding through the Instagram DMs step by step. I'm going to be doing a live walkthrough right now, right here with you guys on camera so that you can see the step by step on how I'm been able to fill up my calendar with appointments and sign on new clients every single month for my agency. So I decided to drop this video for you guys because my previous Instagram video that I made for you just got so much engagement. You guys seem to really like that video, and so I wanted to come out with this content to really drop a step-by-step breakdown on how to do it, what I do I use my personal Instagram profile or my business profile, what it is. I had a lot of questions, so I'm gonna be answering all that in this video. Alright, so I got my phone here. I'm gonna put a live screen share of my phone right over here so that you can see it for yourself. And if you haven't already, show your boy some love on Instagram. Shoot me a follow if you want to see some behind the scenes of my story, what it is to look like in the life of an agency owner. Show your boy some love on Instagram, say what's up, and consider dropping a follow. Alright, so I had a lot of questions in the last video asking, hey Jordan, do you use your personal profile or do you use your business profile? And let me tell you why I use a personal profile when I'm prospecting on Instagram, whether it's Instagram or Facebook. And the reason why I use a personal profile, and I would suggest that you should too, is because when you are reaching out to somebody, your prospect, an ideal client, if you reach out with your business profile, right, chances are your prospect, your ideal client, is going to think that you're just really trying to sell them something, right? You're just another another marketing company reaching out. And so I feel like they're a lot less likely to respond than if you were to reach out as your personal profile, with where you have legit images, pictures of yourself, your who you are and things like that, and they can just really see who you are. There's a face to it, right? Now that's not saying that you can't use a business profile. If your business profile has legit photos, where you come off professional, there's a picture of your team, pictures. At the end of the day, if there are faces, real human faces on your Instagram profile that you're using to reach out, then you should be good. And so I don't even have a business Instagram, to be honest with you, so that's why I just use my personal. And like I said, I've just had a really high success rate with it, and I think the reason for that is because there's a face behind it. When I'm reaching out, there's a personal feel, personal touch to it than just a company reaching out, right? I'm not a company reaching out, I'm reaching out as a human, as a person. And so if your personal Instagram that you're using to reach out with, you don't have professional photos, if there's photos of you going out to clubs and just not really good photos of yourself where you can portray yourself as someone that someone wants to work with, then I would probably suggest you either archive those photos or just make a separate Instagram profile, and just you take nice pictures of yourself, your team, your behind the scenes stuff and things like that. And you can just use my Instagram as an example, as a template. I just take nice photos of myself, really. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to start prospecting, getting your Instagram to generate you new appointments for your calendar, right? So real quick, this is just my Instagram, right? If you scroll through, it's just pictures of me, things I do, my traveling, some photos of me just going out and stuff, eating, things like that, right? Just a really personal Instagram profile, nothing crazy, right? So from here, we're gonna hit on the search bar, and from there, we're gonna go to the search. We're gonna start searching for our ideal client, right? All right, so first you need to identify who your ideal client is. For this example, let's just say your ideal client, you work with realtors, okay? Realtors, super simple. They're all over Instagram. They love using Instagram to show off their homes. And realtors, they're very responsive as well, right? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna search up realtor, right? It doesn't matter. And you're just gonna get a whole bunch of realtors up on here, okay? So I'm just gonna click on a random one here. Okay, so we got some mutual friends. We have a realtor here. And from here, we're just gonna hit message. And now we need to figure out what it is that this realtor wants, right? So my last Instagram video, I share my exact script and my conversation on what to say and things like that. Obviously, I won't be able to have a conversation with this person in this one video. So make sure you check the last Instagram video that I dropped last week if you want to see that script, but it's super simple, right? So let's just, for example, say that this realtor is looking for more seller leads, right? So I'm going to type in, hi, are you currently accepting new buyer leads, seller leads, whatever it is, right? Hi, are you currently accepting, or even new clients in this example, because I don't really know the terminology for realtors. I'm not in this space, so I wouldn't know. But I could say something along the lines of, hi, are you currently accepting new clients in Orange County, right? Hi, hi, are you currently accepting new clients looking to sell their home in Orange County, right? So from there, I'm pretty much gonna hit send. In this case, I'm not going to, because I don't want them to reply to me. But in your case, come up with a script where you are reaching out and with a purpose, with what it is that they want in mind, right? So come up with that script. How are you currently accepting new clients looking to sell their home in Orange County? So the script is good. Hi, are you currently accepting new clients looking to sell their home in Orange County, which is the area she's in, right? From there, I would just hit send. And then the next thing I would do is go to their most recent photo, comment DM, and that's all I do, right? And just hit post. And you can even go a step further by liking their most recent photo. I just find it a lot faster and easier to just do it real quick, comment DM, and then send them that script. And then if you want to like their recent photo, then that's optional to you. Now, you want to do this a few times, right? So you just want to go through here, and let's just say, here we go. Here's another one. So another cool thing you can do is on this little arrow button on the side where next to the contact button, if you click on that, it should show you more people within your niche that you're looking for, right? In this case, realtors, they most of the time they use their personal profile, so it's kind of tough on Instagram showing you related Instagram profiles, but most of the time it does a really good job of sharing that with you. All right, so here is a good example of what I'm talking about here. I went to a realtor's page here. I clicked on that arrow button next to the contact button, and as you can see here, it started to share more realtors, within the area, right? So from there, you can just click on it, do the same thing. Now, with realtors, I believe, most of the time they're going to reply to you. But for some instances where you are reaching out to, local businesses, sometimes the owner might not be as active on Instagram. So in the beginning, expect to possibly not get as many responses that you might like. But do this on Instagram, do this on Facebook, right? Reaching out to your ideal prospects on both platforms, Instagram and Facebook. And the reason why we want to do that is because we want the algorithms to pick up on our behavior, right? So if Instagram and Facebook believes that we are looking for a realtor, now what they're going to start doing, they're going to pick this up on their algorithms, and they're going to start showing you ads from realtors or whatever, niche prospect that you're looking for, right? And that's really powerful, because once you start getting ads from these, businesses, these prospects, you know that these people are already advertising. That means they are looking for new clients. And they're more open to, having a conversation with you, right? They are running ads, so they're looking to have conversations. They're putting themselves out there. And so that increases the chances of, your script working, them responding, and they're more likely to listen to what you have to say, because if they're already advertising, you know that they're looking to grow their business and looking for clients. So if you have a solution that is better than what they're currently doing, then they are willing to offer, right? So that's super powerful, using both Instagram and Facebook. Let the algorithm pick up. Give it some time. You're gonna have to put in a little bit of manual work, right? But after the algorithm starts picking up, you're gonna start seeing ads come on your platform, on your newsfeed. So when you're going on there, you're gonna start seeing ads, and from there you can just start doing the same exact steps, right? Comment, DM, and like on their most recent photo, and then drop that script. If you want to see the whole conversation, what happens when they say yes, what happens when they say no, then make sure you check that last Instagram video that I posted on my YouTube channel. So there you guys have it. Hopefully this step-by-step video is super helpful. Hopefully you are able to pack your calendar like I have with this exact Instagram method that I'm using right now. And if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful whatsoever, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on anything, on new strategies, tips on growing your business. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.